Caillou didn't like vegetables very much. In fact, he hated them. Caillou, eat your vegetable. Grandpa will be coming to take you to the park. Story time, kids. Now, what did Caillou do today? Today's story is called Caillou Makes Cookies. It all happened when Caillou was just 3 years old.
Caillou, 조용히 좀 해.
Caillou,
You have to.
Caillou, you had to play quietly now, or he's not going to take a nap.
하지만 더 놀고 싶어요.
But I want to play, you can still play, just stay quietly.
가이는 시끄럽게 노는 것보다 조용히 노는 것보다 시끄럽게 노는 게 더 좋았어.
Caillou
Felt.
felt that being quiet wasn't that much fun as being noisy. Caillou, I ask you to play quietly now, or he's not going to take a nap.
과자다.
Cookie, I want cookie. I'm hungry. So Caillou went to the kitchen.
꿀이다.
Honey. So Caillou decided to make somebody cookie. And so Caillou got to work, making a whole bunch of many cookies. Flat one, skinny one, flat one, and round one.
와.